Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to install Vue.js or Vue 3, the latest project, and also we'll be seeing how we can install the Vue Router too while the Vue.js installation process. So guys, now let's get started. So first we are going on the Vue.js website, and here's the domain vuejs.org, and now we'll move on the dock, and here is a quick start. Let's move below. So creating a Vue application. So before that, you have to install Node.js version, which is 20 or 22 above. Okay, not less than that. So to check the Node.js you have installed in your application or not, please open your terminal. So cmd and hit enter. Node hyphen capital V or small v. So yes, it's a bad option. Let's hit enter with the small v, and here you see Node.js, that is version 26.3.1. So if you have less than 20, so Node.js download, and click on this, and here you go. So if you are a window user, you can just select this window and start with the installation. Download installer, then double click, install it, and the latest version will be updated. So yep, now let's get back. So once your Node.js is set up, then how to create the project? Here it's the first command. So let us copy this. Let's copy and go to any one folder. So I follow this path as I have installed Laragon. So I'm going inside the www and created one folder called YouTube, and inside that I will create a project. Okay, so let me just open this folder in VS Code editor. Now let's open a terminal, new terminal. Okay, so terminal is ready, and now let's paste that by clicking on the right click of the mouse. So hit enter, and the process starts for asking all the requirements. So here it asks for the project name. Let's mention Vue tutorials. Okay, hit enter. Use TypeScript, no. And what features to include in your project? I need a router, so please click space. Okay, and I also want Pinia for state management. So yep, and if you are not selecting right now, you can install this later also, that's not an issue. And once you have selected, hit enter. And for experimental, I choose none of them. Hit enter. Skip all example code and start with the blank Vue project. No, I need example code. And then scaffolding project created, Vue tutorial, which you can find here. So let me close this VS Code editor, and this is the project which is inside this. Okay, so right click on this and open with code. Cool. So our Vue project is open here, and now let's open the terminal and follow with the command what uh, and here it is npm install and npm run dev. So first let us install all the packages. Right click on the mouse and hit enter, and the installation process starts. So you will find a node modules folder now. Perfect. So the npm install has been done, and now let's run this application. So for that, npm run dev. Let's control C, copy, get back to your editor and hit enter. Okay, I mean paste and hit enter. So your npm run dev, which is started on this local host, let us go and paste here, hit enter, which is working fine here. Perfect. So you can see guys that the default page has been shown. So let me just show you quickly. Go in src, and let me minimize this first. Yep, src views, and this is your home page, home view and about view. So in home view you can see that they have included the welcome component, and if you go inside this welcome component, which is component welcome component, and here it says all your documentation code. Okay, which is shown here, document tooling ecosystem. Okay, So let us skip all this, and for the testing I will just remove, I will just shift this down and remove this component. Hello, I am Vite, and you can remove this, import it. Now if you refresh here, you can see that hello, I am Vite. Okay, and if you want to see from where is this coming, you can just go on this app.view. So you'll find all this logo and your message, hello world, and then the routes, which is shown here. If you click home, you're already on the home. If you click about, this is about page, and the URL also changed. Perfect. So guys, you have seen the complete example of how to install this Vue.js and run this Vue.js, and also the router works fine. So guys, let's see in next video with the new topic of Vue.js or Laravel or any other tutorial. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.